Here, I'm repotting the succulents I bought using a regular potting mix I picked up from a local plant shop. It was the only option available at the time. The main goal during this stage is to help the young succulents settle in, start acclimating, and develop strong root systems. Since most of the plants were still babies, either from cuttings or leaf propagation, they had very little root development and were quite fragile. The mix I used contains garden soil, coco peat, organic fertilizer, vermicast, and carbonized rice hull. While it holds more moisture than typical cactus or succulent soil, it's rich in nutrients that support healthy root growth. It provides a soft, nurturing environment that helps the plants adjust and establish themselves before being transferred to more permanent containers. Once they've grown stronger and show signs of healthy development, I'll move them into ceramic or clay pots with proper succulent soil. Eventually, they'll also be gradually exposed to outdoor conditions to help them toughen up and over time develop more vibrant colors.